Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about subordinating conjunctions, specifically the word while, which shows simultaneous actions. A subordinating conjunction connects a dependent clause to an independent clause. It shows relationships like time, cause, or contrast. The dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. It makes that clause less important than the main sentence. While shows two actions happening at the same time, called simultaneous actions. It connects a dependent clause to an independent clause, while always introduces the dependent clause that needs the main clause to make sense. Listen to these examples. She was studying while I was watching TV. They are laughing while I am working hard. The baby was crying while we were leaving. He talked on the phone while I was trying to sleep. Notice while connects two ongoing actions. There are two correct structures. First, independent clause plus while plus dependent clause, like I was cooking while she was reading. Second, while plus dependent clause, comma, independent clause, like while she was reading I was cooking. Both show actions happening together. Practice these sentences. Mom cooked dinner while Dad set the table. While it was raining, we stayed inside. The kids played outside while I cleaned the house. She listened to music while doing her homework. Say them out loud to remember while for simultaneous actions. Avoid these mistakes. Do not use while for single completed actions. Wrong, I ate while I arrived. Correct, I ate when I arrived. Use while only for ongoing actions happening together. Wrong, she called while she arrived. Correct, she was calling while I was cooking. Use a comma after while clause at sentence beginning. While she was talking, I listened carefully. No comma needed when while clause follows main clause. I listened carefully while she was talking. Comma rule, yes at start, no at end.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.